Traveling on a budget, tips and tricks for affordable adventures. Traveling offers unparalleled experiences, broadens horizons, and creates lasting memories. However, the cost associated with travel can sometimes deter individuals from exploring the world. Fortunately, there are numerous ways to travel on a budget without compromising on the quality of the adventure. In this video, we will discuss various tips and tricks to help you plan affordable adventures while still enjoying a fulfilling travel experience. Plan and research ahead. Planning and thorough research are the fundamental pillars of budget travel. Start by setting a clear travel budget, considering factors like transportation, accommodation, food, activities, and miscellaneous expenses. Once you have a budget in mind, conduct extensive research to find affordable options for each category. Transportation, look for deals on flights, buses, trains, or car rentals. Booking in advance or during sales can save significant amounts. Accommodation, consider staying in hostels, or guest houses, or using platforms like Airbnb to find budget-friendly lodging options. Look for deals and discounts on accommodation booking websites. Food, opt for street food or local eateries, which often offer authentic experiences at lower prices compared to restaurants. Consider preparing your own meals occasionally if you have access to a kitchen. Activities, research free or low-cost attractions and activities at your destination. Many cities have museums, parks, and cultural events that are either free or have a minimal entrance fee. Travel during off-peak seasons. Traveling during the off-peak season has several advantages, including lower prices on flights, accommodation, and attractions. Additionally, you'll encounter fewer crowds, allowing for a more relaxed and enjoyable experience. Off-peak seasons vary depending on the destination, so research the best times to visit your chosen location to maximize cost savings. Use budget-friendly transportation. Transportation can be a significant expense while traveling. To save money, consider the following options. Public transportation. Utilize public transportation like buses, subways, or trams, which are often much cheaper than taxis or ride-sharing services. Walk or cycle. Explore your destination on foot or rent a bike. Not only is this cost-effective, but it also allows you to experience the local culture up close. Carpooling. If you're traveling within a group or to nearby places, consider carpooling to split fuel costs. Leverage travel rewards and points. Sign up for loyalty programs offered by airlines, hotels, and credit card companies. Accumulating travel rewards and points can significantly reduce travel expenses. Take advantage of credit cards that offer travel rewards, cashback, or discounts on flights and accommodations. Flexible travel dates and booking options. Be flexible with your travel dates to take advantage of the best deals. Midweek flights and off-peak times often have lower prices. Additionally, consider alternative airports, as they may have more affordable flights. Comparing prices across different booking platforms can also yield substantial savings. Use travel comparison websites and apps to find the best deals on flights, accommodations, and rental cars. Cook your own meals. Eating out for every meal can quickly drain your travel budget. To save money, consider cooking some of your meals. If your accommodation has a kitchen, buy groceries and prepare simple meals. Not only is this cost-effective, but it can also be a fun cultural experience to shop at local markets. Pack light and smart. Packing efficiently is crucial for budget travel. Only pack essentials and versatile clothing that can be mixed and matched. Packing light can save you money on checked baggage fees and make it easier to use public transportation. Stay in hostels or guest houses. Hostels and guest houses are often much cheaper than hotels and can provide a unique and sociable travel experience. Many hostels offer dormitory-style rooms that significantly reduce accommodation costs. Additionally, you can meet fellow travelers and share experiences, tips, and even transportation costs. Explore free and low-cost activities. Many destinations offer a plethora of free or low-cost activities that allow you to experience the local culture without breaking the bank. Hiking and nature walks. Explore natural wonders, parks, and trails, which are often free or have a minimal entrance fee. City walking tours. Many cities offer free guided walking tours, providing insights into the local history and culture. Museums and art galleries. Look for days with free or discounted entrance to museums and art galleries. Beaches and parks. Enjoy the sun and sand at beaches, or have a picnic in a local park. Stay hydrated and carry snacks. Staying hydrated and carrying snacks can help you avoid unnecessary expenses on drinks and impulse purchases. Fill a reusable water bottle and carry some light snacks to keep you energized throughout the day. Learn basic phrases of the local language. Learning a few basic phrases in the local language can go a long way. It not only helps you navigate and interact with locals but also shows respect for their culture. In some cases, locals might offer you better deals or discounts if they see you making an effort to speak their language. Be open to sharing expenses. If you're traveling with a group or even with one other person, consider sharing expenses like accommodation, transportation, and groceries. This can significantly reduce individual costs and allow you to save more for other experiences. Monitor and track expenses. Keep a record of all your expenses during the trip. This will help you stay within your budget and identify areas where you may be overspending. Tracking expenses also enables you to make adjustments if needed to ensure you stay on track. Use local guides and apps. Utilize local guides or travel apps that provide insider tips and recommendations for budget-friendly experiences. Locals often know the best places to eat, visit, and enjoy without spending a fortune. Volunteer or work exchange programs. Consider participating in volunteer or work exchange programs that offer accommodation and sometimes meals in exchange for your services. This can be a rewarding way to travel affordably while giving back to the community. In conclusion, traveling on a budget is entirely feasible with careful planning, research, and smart choices. By employing these tips and tricks, you can embark on memorable adventures without straining your finances. Remember, the true essence of travel lies in the experiences you gather and the people you meet, not the money you spend. Happy travels!